I'm Brandt Blair. I'm a precision grinder in the grind department. Generally run the CNC grinders, the vertical grinder, surface grinder, and OD grinder. What interested me in becoming a machinist is probably being exposed to it as a kid and looking up to the people that you're around as your dad's friends, family friends. And that's probably what interested me, and probably the aspect of creating with your hands and doing precision work with your hands, and at the end of the day you have a product that you created out of, very simple material. So the most challenging part in this industry, because it is aerospace defense, is probably the tolerancing and the materials. A lot of I guess new age materials that there's not a lot of information out there on, so you're kind of research and development on your own to create methods to grind the parts efficiently and bring them into print. The things I enjoy the most about being a machinist is probably the independence. You kind of, you're in your station, your area. You got to be a self-motivator, self-starter. And it just lets you have a little independence and freedom to get your stuff done. And again, with creating the tight tolerance parts and one-off pieces, stuff like that. I would say the things I enjoy the most about the day-to-day here at Merrill is the way the schedule is set up. I'd say 90% of the time you know what's coming the next day, you know what you're in for, so you can prepare as far as like mentally, or just have an agenda so you're not going in blind every day, and kind of map out your day in your head as you're coming to work, things like that. There aren't many shops that do the type of stuff we do, and especially in this area. So that's very unique, and it's very motivating as well to be a part of those things. I would recommend others to pursue a career in machining. A, if they like to do things with their hands, they like to create. B, if they're not necessarily like a office, college motivated type of person, more of a technical person. There could be a lot more fulfillment and rewarding aspects to a job like that for a person that has that mentality.